Yeah.
Here we got a 1946 Ford Coupe. And you got like 2 4-barrels on here. It's cute. Assume that's a Chevy or something, or aluminum radiator. You got the Bulldog hood ornament. Wait a minute. That's just a radiator cap that would get covered up when you close the hood. It's amazing. It's under there and you wouldn't even know it's there until you open the hood. Nice piece of artwork to be hidden now. Amazing. And you got a modern interior in here. And you got like a 4-speed or a 5-speed. Take a look around the other side. See if it says anything on that ball there. But that's a big long shifter, man. $1946. Towards the year of President Truman. It just says a 5 on there. Oh, I guess it's a 5-speed. Yeah, that would be. Yeah, it's a 5. You know what? That's an indication it's a 5-speed. Because normally you would put an 8-ball on there or something, right? Paint is flawless. Somebody really rubbed that paint out. Shaved door handles. Antenna goes down. See that?